Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to unrestrict someone on Facebook. So if you want to unrestrict a friend or someone on Facebook, you may have maybe put them on restricted list on your Facebook. So if you want to unrestrict them, here's how you can get it done. Open your Facebook app on your phone, then you tap on the menu icon right here. You tap on it, then you tap on the friends option. Tap on it, then you tap on your friends. So from here you can get to scroll and search for the particular person which you restrict, which is under restricted mode. So I'm just going to tap on this. This is actually among the friends I put on restricted mode. So I'm just going to tap on the person's name, then from there I'll tap on the friends option, which is this option. I'm going to tap on it. Then from here I'm going to tap on edit friend list. From there I'm just going to tap on close friends. So with this you'll be able to switch the person from restricted mode to a normal friends, which is probably a close friends. You can tap on done. Now if you want to confirm, just tap on the friend list, then tap on edit friends list. Then you can see, okay, good. You have to make sure this is the restricted mode is turned off, then you tap on done. So this person is now a normal friend, not a close friend and not in a restricted mood, just a usual normal Facebook friends. And that's it. If you find the video helpful, subscribe and follow for more. Thank you.